What's up, everybody? No, but what's up? Actually, it's been quite some time since we last posted on the YouTube channel. So
a little over a month.
Yeah, it's been a little over a month. You know, we just kind of got caught up with things in our life and just changes that going on within like just our lives. You know, things happen in life, but just always busy. We work. We have full-time jobs. Well, and then Ben goes to school full-time. But you know, we just try to get out as much content as we can, but sometimes it's just a little bit hard, but you know what, we're not gonna stop, so that's the main thing. But you know, we're back. We do have quite an interesting install coming back as well. It's actually a pretty decent and very, you know, I'd say it's a really good upgrade for the price.
Very good upgrade for the price. Okay, so thank you to 500 Madness for A, quick delivery, and B, for hooking it up a little bit. I did get the Wilwood front big brake kit. So going from the stock 4-piston little baby brakes to the Wilwood 6-piston bigger brakes. We're gonna go ahead and throw these on the Fiat today, happily. And I'm super stoked to see how big of a difference that actually is, because I'm sure
the rotors.
Any pretty one. Any rotors?
Just for size comparison.
Yes. I did just go with the plain face for now, but I will be doing the slotted and drilled upgrade. But quite a bit of stuff here.
Comes in a cool box though.
Comes in a very fun box. I did upgrade the pads from Wilwood, so these are the BP20s, I believe. Yeah, BP20s instead of the BP, I think they come with like BP10s or something like that. So these are the more race version. All the brackets, steel braided brake lines, some stickers.
The go fast parts.
The go fast parts. Yeah, these are what make you actually stop.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna jump right into this. It's not gonna be a super instructional video, but it will be like a review video. We're gonna throw them on and see how they do.
Yeah.
Okay, so one thing, if you watch the video on how to install these from Wilwood, the calipers are actually different. Theirs, for the retaining clip for the pads, has a E-clip right here. This is new, so you can't put the pads in from the back. So before you put the caliper on, put the pads in from the back side. Okay, so since we last filmed the brakes, it's been almost a month. Temecula's been having some weather problems with rain, so I haven't really been taking my car out. And I've been moving, so I'm finally at the new house. But I've tested them quite a bit, and they freaking stop.
With the harnesses and everything?
Yeah, they stop. But we went out, what is it, bedded them in or something? Yeah, we bedded them in. And they've been set, but the car's just been sitting for a while. We were supposed to go to the track tomorrow, but it got rained out. So this is where she sits until then. So I can't really go give you like footage of in the car while stopping.
Especially with these tires.
Because yeah, our 888s are not fun in the rain. It's like you're driving on ice. And all the roads are soaked and it's still raining.
Yeah, it is.
So, but they're finally on, and now I have to address another problem. That's it for this video. Trey has a fun video coming up to post soon about some tuning and some fun things. So that was a long process. We're gonna be trying to get out to the track here next year, so January, hopefully, just because holidays are coming up, and hopefully then the weather will be a little bit better. But sorry for the lack of videos then again, but this one should be up soon since we finally finished this video. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell so you get notified when we post. Again, if we ever do post again. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and check out our website because banners will be up for sale again soon.
These ones right here, and then we have them in white too.
Yeah, we got them in white.